YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Wazzala Premium Microfiber Towel for travel, beach, sports, and outdoors. It even comes with a free hand and face towel and the mesh bag that you see. First impressions are this thing is huge. This is the extra large size, which is what I wanted. I wanted something that was huge that could take the beach, but today we're going to use it just for a shower. I just got done doing an oil change on what I call the Grey Goose, which is my 2014 Honda CR-V. And so I'm going to try out this face cloth, which is right here, and the big extra large towel right here for my shower. Some things about the Wazzala Premium Microfiber Towel is that it is antibacterial. It has quick dry technology as with any microfiber. It's compact with that nice mesh bag, and it even has hooks on it. So if you're going camping with these, you could hang them up to dry, or even if you're at like a beach house or something, or even at the beach, you can hang it out to dry. It seems to be a really high quality product. It has nice sewing on the edges, keeping everything together. And unlike cotton towels, again, I really like microfiber, especially while camping, because it's fast drying and it doesn't keep sand and other materials on it as much as cotton does, because cotton has like the little cotton loops in it. So anyways, we're going to try them out and we'll see how it does. So we're about to get in the shower here, and as you can see, it has this awesome little strap that can let it hang off of any type of object, which is an excellent thing. That's the hand towel, but the regular towel also has a nice strap on it. So we just got done with our shower. This thing is huge. I'm wearing it around my waist after drying off with it. The towel, super absorbent, gets all the water off instantly. I haven't used it on my hair yet, obviously, because you can see that's wet, but I mean, it's a little damp, but it's so big that it's pretty dry in other areas. Face cloth, however, is totally damp. Good news is that it does retain the soap that you put on it. So even though it's microfiber, the soap doesn't just slip right off. It gets right in there for a good clean. And what we're going to do next is we're going to leave this hanging on the door over here. We're going to check back in a set amount of time, and we'll see if how much this has dried, seeing that it's totally damp right now. So we'll leave the Wazzala microfiber face cloth drying on the door. It's a little damp in here still. We're not going to turn the fan on or anything. We're just going to let it dry naturally. We'll see how much it's dried. Just one final comparison. This is the wet soaked face towel, and this is the extra large towel. You can see it's lighter colored because it absorbed all the moisture I needed it to, but it's so big that it's pretty much dry even after taking a full shower. It's 9 hours later and the face cloth is pretty much dry. What I want you to understand is 9 hours sounds like a lot, but this was in this bathroom without any wind or ventilation, no windows open, and the average temperature in this part of the house is 60 degrees. So if you have this towel out in the sun, outdoors, it's going to dry a lot faster. But 9 hours later, it's dry, which is excellent for the conditions it's in. It does dry very fast. If you had a cotton towel, it would still be damp compared to this. And that is my review of the Wazzala Premium Microfiber Towel. It is excellent. Probably the best microfiber towel I've used. The extra large size is very convenient for multiple uses. Beach, camping, outdoors, just staying at home like I did and using it as your regular shower towel. It does retain moisture very quickly, so that way you dry off fast, but it also loses it faster than cotton towels, which is great to see. And as you can see, it fits into this convenient carrying case, which is great for camping, backpacking, etc. If you'd like to purchase your Wazzala Premium Microfiber Towel, please look for a link in the description below. We'll see you at Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. And while you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon, so that way you will be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.